Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Khoirunnisa Karima. I'm from 11 Science 5, number 14. Now I will present my assignment about cause and effect volcano eruption.
This is cause and effect volcano eruption. Cause. A volcanic eruption is an event that occurs as a result of magma deposits in the bowel of the earth which are pushed out by high pressure gas. Effect number 1. Produce hot energy from earth which is useful for power plant. Number 2. Hot lava can cause forest fire and threaten living things in it, including plant and animal. Number 3. Water can be polluted by volcanic ash and other eruption material. Number 4. Produce good quality stone and sand and can be used to make a building. Number 5. Changes in the area and natural condition. Thank you for watching. See you.